Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. I am Sampath. In this class, we will discuss paper number 283, reasoning paper, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. 8 boxes P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are kept one above another in the form of stack but not necessarily in the same order. At least one box is kept above U. So, here above U, one box is taking and two boxes are taking. Okay. So, first two possibilities try with them. 3 boxes are kept between U and V, which is kept below U. So, between U and V, there are 3 boxes are there, V and V. Next, box S is kept immediately below V. So, S is placing here. Number of boxes kept between S and U. Okay, between S and U is one more than the number of boxes kept between P and S. Between S and U there are 4 boxes are there, and between P and S 3 boxes are there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then P is placing here. Next, T is kept immediately above Q. So, T is kept immediately above Q. So, T is kept immediately above Q. It is the only one possibility, and here we have 2 possibilities. Box W is kept 3 boxes below Q. So, 1, 2, 3. Here W is placing. And next, suppose if we placing Q here, so T here, Q is coming here, and between T and W there are 3 boxes are there. And next, W is kept 3 boxes below Q. So, this is not correct, and R doesn't kept adjacent to V. So, R is placing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is the final arrangement of the stack. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. How many boxes are kept between U and W? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 4 boxes. Which among the following box kept at the topmost position, that is R? Which among the following statement not true regarding Q? So, Q is placing here, Q kept above S, not correct. So, Q is placing above S, it is correct, and W kept adjacent to Q, this is not correct. Okay, this is the answer, option 2 is the answer. And next, so 4 of the following 5 pairs are alike. So, which among the following pair does not belonging into the groups? That is R and P. So, between R and P 1 box, and U and T 1 box, and P and Q 1 box, and S and W. Between S and W there is no boxes are there. It is the odd one out. What is the position of P with respect to box which is kept immediately above S? So, P here and the box which is kept immediately above, that is V. So, what is the position of P? That is 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes above of U. Next. So, all the digits are the given number, that is 5, 7, 3, 8, 2, 4, 9, 1, 6 are arranged in descending order from left to right, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find the sum of the odd positioned digits in the given number, that is 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, so see 10, 10, 20 plus 5, 25 is the answer. Next, directions based question here. See, R is 6 meters to the north of J, which is 9 meters to the west of T. So, R is 6 meters to the north of J, and J is 9 meters to the west of T, 9 meters to the west of T. K is 8 meters to the south of J. So, K is 8 meters to the south of J. So, K is 8 meters to the south of J and 7 meters to the east of F. So, K is the 7 meters to the east of F, 7 meters to the east of F. Next, so point F which is to the south of M. So, point F which is to the south of M. Okay. Next, J is to the east of M. So, J here and E here, M here. So, see here the distance between M and J, that is 7 meters, and M and F, that is 8 meters. Next, N is to the east of point R. So, N is to the east of point R and north of point T. R is here and N is east of R and north of T. Okay. So, distance is here, distance is 9 meters and ikkada vachesi 6 meters. Point P is 4 meters to the point of N. So, point P is 4 meters to the point of N. It is the final arrangement of the directions. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question, question number 7. Question number 7. In which direction N with respect to M? So, N here and M here, and N is the northeast of M. What is the shortest distance between P and J? So, J here and P here, shortest distance from P and J. So, see from R to P, that is totally 9 plus 4, 13 meters. R to J, it is the 6 meters. Okay. So, shortest distance, apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So, here 30 square plus 6 square, 169 plus 36, that is 205. So, h square equal to 205, h equal to root 205 meters. So, it is the root 205, option 4 is the answer. Next, what is the total distance from M to N? So, see from M here and N here, it is 7 plus 6 plus 9, 7 plus 6 plus 9, 15, 22, 22 meters is the answer. So, options wrong, but 22 meters is the answer. Next, question number, so puzzle, we have one more puzzle. See the puzzle. 10 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J live on 2 different flats, but not necessarily in the same order. Flat 1 and flat 2 of 5-floor building. So, here we have 5-floor building, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next, flat 1 and flat 2 is there, and flat 1 is the west of flat 2. So, whereas flat 1 and flat 2 are immediately above flat 1 of floor 1, so and so on. So, flat 1 is the west of flat 2. So, 2 possibilities here. See the first one, H lives 2 floors above J and both live in different numbered flats. H lives on an even numbered floor. So, H lives on even numbered floor. If H placing here, J is placing here, it is the first possibility, and H and J, second possibility. Next, number of floors above H, same number of floors below C. Above H there are 1, below C 1. So, here also same. E lives to the northeast of C on an odd numbered floor. So, from C, E is the lives in odd numbered floor and northeast of C. So, if C is placing here, it is the northeast of direction. So, E is placing here, and also E lives in odd numbered floor. So, E is placing here or here. Okay, E and E. Okay, it is the first possibility. Here no possibility will come. Why? Because northeast of there is no northeast place from C. Okay, and next, this is not correct. And next, E lives to the northeast of C, odd numbered floor. B lives immediately below E flat. So, B lives immediately below E flat. Only this possibility will occur. Here E is not placing here. And next, F lives above G flat, but not in the same flat as B. Okay, and F live above G and not on the F, not on the B flat. And next, A lives to the northwest of I. So, A lives to the northwest of I, and next, D doesn't live on the prime numbered floor. So, here 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, and 5 is the prime number. So the places we left, only these places are we left 1 2 3 4 and 5. So D ikkada raadu, ikkada raadu, ikkada raadu. Either D is placing here or here, and also A lives to the northwest of I. So if I is placing here, so A is placing here. Okay, and next flat. So F lives above G flat but not same as B. So here F is placing here and G is placing here. Okay, it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. Every condition satisfies. See the first question, question number 10. In which of the following flat and floor does A lives? A lives first flat and fifth floor. Next, so 4 of the following so which one doesn't belong into the group? 11th one, G, I, J, D, E. So see G, I and next, so J, D and E. So see E, I, J and D all are lives in second flat except G. Which among the following statement is true? D lives odd numbered floor. Odd numbered floor ena? So correct. And next, F and H live in the same flat. So F and H both are living in same flat. H lives in flat 2. So it is not correct. Only 1 and 2 correct. How many floors are there between D and A? So between D and A there are 3 floors are there. A related to B and H related to I. So A related to B and H related to I. So see here logic following like this. And next, in the among the following D related to dash. So D related to exactly C. Okay. Next, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word convenience, conviction? Each word having many letters between English alphabetical series, both backward and forward directions. So starting from C, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So C, O, P, Q, R, S, T, O, T, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So next, V, W, X, I, J, K, L, M, N, I, J, K, L, M, N. So see I and N, one pair. Next, C, D, E, F, G, T, U, V, W, I, J, K. So see next backward chuddam, N, O. So N and O both are same. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and I, J, K, L, M, N. So see I and N. So see I and N. Okay, total 4 వచ్చినాయి ఇప్పటికి. నెక్స్ట్, T, U, V, W, X, Y, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So see only 4 possibilities are there. Next, blood relation question it is. See the puzzle. V is the nephew of T who has only one sibling. So V is the nephew of T. Nephew in the sense male candidate. So T is placing here and V is the nephew of T. It means V has a brother or sister. This person has the V as a child. Next, V is the male candidate and T who has only one sibling. Next, one sibling means only one brother or sister that T has. T is brother-in-law of U and vice versa. Okay, T is the brother-in-law of U. T is the brother-in-law of U. U is also brother-in-law of T. And next, this person is the female candidate. This female candidate married by U. Next, X is the daughter-in-law of P and has no siblings. X is the daughter-in-law of P. X is the daughter-in-law of P and has no siblings. Okay, and next, P is parent of T. So P is the parent of T. Okay, P is the parent of T. So this X and T both are married maybe. చూద్దాం ముందరకెళ్ళి. ఇంకా P has less than 3 children. P has less than 3 children. And next, W is the brother of V, so W is the brother of V. And next, S is child of R and married U. S is the child of R and married U. So here U, S is the daughter of R, and T and S both are children of R. Next, gender of R and T same. R and T same. It is the positive. Next, see here, P is parent of T and P is the parent of T. P is the parent of T means R and P both are husband and wife. Okay, condition satisfied. And next, X is the daughter-in-law of P. X is the daughter-in-law of P means X married T. X married T. Okay. So see here, T and X both are siblings. Okay. So these two persons are married. S married U and T married X. Okay. It is the final arrangement. Let us move on to the questions. See the first one, question number 16. How T is related to W? So T here and W here. So T related to W is the T is the uncle of W. So uncle of W. How many female members in the family? So 1, 2, 3. Only 3 persons are there. V is married B. So V is married B. B is the wife of V. Then how B related to U? So B is the daughter-in-law of U. Next, question number 19. So see, conclusion. F greater than N. So F here and N here both are opposite signs here. One is not correct. O greater than or equal to F. So O here and F here. Instead of O we can write N is also. So it is also not correct. Both are complementary pairs. Okay. So see what is the given here. Here F less than N and next N greater than F. We can write N instead of O also. Why? Because O equal to N. Next, question number 20. So see, X less than or equal to T. So X here and T here. So see, X less than or equal to C equal to V less than or equal to T. Correct. Okay, signs are same. Next, B less than N. So B here and next. So see, B equal to C and next, no need to write C here. Starting from B, K and L. Okay. So less than is also correct. 5. Next, J greater than T. So J here and T here. Here we have opposite signs. First one is not correct. R less than J. R less than J. So see, R here and J here. R to J definitely follows. Only 2 follows. Next, one more puzzle we have. See the puzzle. 10 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y wear the different brands watches, Timex, Fossil and Casio, but not necessarily in the same order. So here we have 3 brands, that is Timex and Fossil and next Casio. Okay, totally 10 persons are there. Totally 10 persons are there. At least 2 persons wear the same brand watch. Okay, and next S and Q wear the same brand watch but not Timex. So see, S and Q not Timex. It is the first possibility and second possibility. Next, P doesn't wear the same brand as Q. Okay, and next, P doesn't wear the same brand as Q. So Q ikkada P rad. Okay, either P placing here or P here. P. Again P and P. Next, Y wears the same brand watch as P but not Casio. Okay, so Y and Y. So Y and P both are same but not Casio. So see, here we have Casio. It is the not locked by P. Okay, only 2 possibilities are there. U doesn't wear the same brand as P and X. Okay, so here P and Q. So either here U is placing, here U is placing. Okay, ఈ రెండిట్లో ఎవరైనా ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. Next, Q here and P here. So here U is placing. Okay, it is confirmed statement. X doesn't wear Timex watch. X doesn't wear Timex watch. Okay, maybe X is placing here or here. Next, X don't Timex. So next, U wears the same brand as X. So X is placing here. And here in first possibility X is with U. సో ఎక్స్ వచ్చేసి టైమ్ ఎక్స్ లైక్ చేయడన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ రాడు, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ వై అండ్ పి వస్తాడు, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ యూ అండ్ ఎక్స్ వస్తారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సి యూ వియర్స్ ద సేమ్ బ్రాండ్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ టీ డజంట్ వియర్ ద బ్రాండ్ వాచ్ యాజ్ ఎస్. సో టీ డజంట్ వియర్ బ్రాండ్ యాజ్ ఎస్. సో టీ ఈజ్ నాట్ కమింగ్ హియర్, టీ ఈజ్ నాట్ కమింగ్ హియర్, టీ అండ్ టీ. నెక్స్ట్, సో ఎస్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ ఆల్సో. సో ఎక్స్ అండ్ ఎస్ అంటే టీ వస్తాడు ఇక్కడ, అండ్ ఇక్కడ రాడు టీ, ఇక్కడ వస్తాడు టీ. నెక్స్ట్, we neither wear Timex nor Casio. So we neither wear Timex nor Casio. V is placing here. Timex nor Casio, V is placing here. V and X wear the different brand watch. So V and X both are different. So here V and X both are same kada. This possibility is not correct. And next, R doesn't wear Timex watch. R doesn't wear Timex watch. Equal number of persons wears Fazil and Casio. So see, in Fazil watch 3 persons are liking, R is placing here. Enduku why R వచ్చేసి Timex like చేయడు కాబట్టి R వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ వస్తాడు. The remaining person ఎవరు, that is W. We left with W only. W is placing here. Why? Because Fazil and Casio both are equal persons. Both has equal persons. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question, question number 22. Who among the following person wear the same watch as W? So W, P, Y, T. So P and T, only we have option 4. Which among the following statement is true? So see, even numbered people wear Fazil branch. Kaadu. Maximum people wear Timex watch. Okay, maximum people wear Timex watch. So question number 24. Which among the following does not belonging into the group? P, Y, S, W and T. So see, P, Y, S, W and T. Except S, remaining 4 persons are liking Timex watch. What is the total number of persons wear Timex and Casio? Timex is 4 and Casio 3. That is total 7 persons are there. Total cost of each Timex watch is 4,000. Timex is 4,000. Each cost of Casio is 5,000. Casio is 5,000. Find the amount spent by PUW to buy watches. So P and W both are Timex, that is 4,000 into 2, 8,000 it is. And next, U likes only Casio, that is 5,000. That is total amount is 13,000. Next, only one follows syllogism. Student okkasari. Statement 1. So see, question number 27. All mango or clerk. All manager or clerk. Next, only a few assistant is clerk. Only a few assistant is clerk. Only a few. No executive is assistant. So no executive is assistant. Some clerk is not executive. So some clerk is here and not executive follows. No manager is executive. So no manager is executive definitely follows. So why? So manager ikkada unnadu and executive ikkada unnadu. Sorry, here no relation between executive and manager. This is not correct. Only one is follows. Next, 28th. Only a few pair is precious. Only a few is precious. All pre-reader are watches. All pre-reader are watches. Next, some precious is not good. Some precious is not good. Some precious is not good. Okay. Some pearl is not good. So some pear is not good. So pear here and good here. Okay. No relation between good and pear. All white can never be precious. So white here and next precious here. Actually all white can be precious, definitely not follows. Why? Because only some part of pearl is only precious, some part of pearl is only precious kabatti all white, all pearl is white kabatti, so all white can never be precious. It is definitely follows, definitely follows, only 2 follows. Next only a few water is river, only a few water is river. Some river is ocean, some river is ocean, only ocean is sea. No sea is water, so sea here and water here definitely follows. Why? Because sea only related to ocean. Next, some water being ocean is a possibility, so water here and ocean here, so some is definitely follows, possibility definitely follows, both 1 and 2 follows. Next 30 to 32. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G go to stadium to watch cricket match in different months, that is January, March and April, June, August, September and December. Okay, so what are the days? 31, 31, 30, 30, 31, 30 and 31. So see, first one, A goes to 2 persons before B. A goes to watch match after March. Okay, so possibility student, if A placing here, B is placing here, first possibility, second possibility and third possibility. Okay, so no need to this one. Next, the number of persons goes after B is 1 less than the number of persons go before F. So after B 2 persons, before B 3, before F 3 persons, after B 1, before F 2 and after B no and before F 1 person. Okay, 3 possibilities. 2 persons go between B and E, so between B and E 2 persons are going. Okay, there is no place to fix E here, this one is not correct, and here E is placing. G goes before C, who doesn't go to month having even number of days. So G goes before, yes, G goes before C and C is not in even numbered months. Suppose if placing C here, G goes in the month which doesn't have odd number of days. So C and G, okay, it is the conformed. Why? Because C is not in odd number of days and G is not in even number of days. Next, so ikkada, so C only 2 places we left, it is 30 days and it is also 30 days. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఎక్కడ మనం C ని ఫిక్స్ చేయలేం కాబట్టి this one is not correct. So remaining person ఎవరు? A, B, C, only D is placing here. Okay, it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. How many persons go between D and B? So between D and B there are 3 persons are there. Who among the following person goes in December? December, that is C. All the persons are alphabetical order from January. How many positions remain unchanged? So see, starting from A to G. So A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So none is the answer, no one is unchanged. Next, so which among the following statement is true? So D goes first among the watch the match. So ఈ puzzle కి related ఇది. So see, so D goes first among all to watch the match, so it is correct. And next, no one goes after C, it is also correct. G goes before F, it is not correct, only 1 and 2 correct. Next, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way of the group. Which among the following does not belonging into the group? So D, E, C, B, A. So see, D, E and C, B and A. So D 31 days, E 31 days, A 30 days and B 31 and C 31, except A, remaining persons are all are 31 days. Okay. So next question number 35 to 39. See, coding and decoding. So see, winner never ever quits the match on match winner announced today the match winner enjoys. So see, winner and next winner and winner. What is the code of winner? So see, mn is the code of winner. Next, never. So never lies in only, in first sentence only, never. Next, ever. So ever is also in first sentence only. And next, quits. So there is no quits and quits. What is the code for quits? So quits is JRRL and VW. VW is the code for quits. Next, never and ever. These two words are coded either JK or RL. Either JK or RL. So never ekkada ledu and ever kuda ekkada ledu. JK and RL. Next, the match won. So see, match and match. What is the code for match? So code for match is, so ST, BV and ZT. So see, BV is the code for match. And next, own, the own. So see, the and the. What is the code for the? So the and the, that is ST is the code for the. Next, own. So code for own is remaining, ZT is the code for own. ZT is the code for own. Remaining, announced today and today and today. What is the code for today? Today is, that is AC. AC is the code for today. Next, so announced coded as LE and enjoy is coded as XY. These are the codes for every word. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. 35. What will be the code for the words match the? So match the BV and ST. So BV and ST. Which among the following word will be coded as LE? So LE is coded as announced. Never done wrong is coded as JK, NO and GN. What will be the code words for wrong ever done? So see, never, actually never or ever coded as JK or RL. Here JK is repeat. Okay, it means what is the code for remaining word, that is ever is coded as RL. And next, wrong ever done. So wrong, so there is what is the code for wrong, that is NO and GN. So done is also NO and GN. RL, NO and GN, it is the codes for wrong. So see, NO, RL and GN. So NO, RL and GN. NO, RL and GN. Option 4 is the answer. What will be the code for the word winner? So winner is coded as MN. MN is the code for winner. Which among the following word will be coded as XY? So XY is coded as enjoy. Next, question number 40, last question. If we form a 4-letter meaningful word using by first, fifth, 8th and 9th letter of the left hand. So see, consultants, that is first C, and next 2, 3, 4, 5 U, and next 8, 6, 7, 8, that is A, and 9, and that is N. Okay. So how many meaningful words formed by using these letters? So CUAN, CANE, UANE. So ఇక్కడ నుండి మనము ఎలాంటి మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్స్ని కూడా ఫామ్ చేయలేము కదా. Okay, CUAN, UANC, NACU. So no meaningful words can be formed. So that is more than y. If no meaningful words formed, that is answer. X is the answer. Okay, X is the answer. It is the final of the question. Okay, thanks for watching the video.